The bulk runs feature on Moonlit allows you to run your apps at scale for a table of inputs. We previously built this mega content pipeline that takes a target keyword along with a sitemap URL and goes through these three steps. First, it generates a detailed content brief, then passes that to a content generator before finally adding relevant internal links to the blog post. We will be using the bulk runs feature to run this workflow for multiple keywords at once. For this example, we will assume Notion is our client, so we will be using their sitemap for the internal links. When we want to create a new bulk job based on some spreadsheet data, each column should correspond to an input. But instead of creating a table where all the sitemap URLs are the same for each row, we can just delete the input here and statically add the URL here. I have this spreadsheet prepared with a single column containing 5 target keywords. We will download this as a CSV. Now, in the bulk runs page, we will create a new job, giving it a name, choosing the app we want to run, and the outputs we want included. We'll see this table where on the left we have our input columns, and to their right are the output columns. In this example, it's only one for each. The inputs and the outputs, that is, our target keyword and the resulting article respectively. In the top toolbar of this bulk job, there's an import button that allows you to add table data to your job. We can also add, remove, and edit row values without importing by double-clicking the cell we want to edit. But we already have our CSV ready, so I'll click on the import button. Then I will upload the file we just downloaded and map the columns to the inputs. We'll also delete these empty rows. We are now ready to start running this job. This will start running in the background so you can close this page and come back. You will also be notified once the job is done. The job handles 5 rows at a time. In this example, we only have 5, but if it was more, the first 5 would run, and then it will move on to the next 5, and so on. Our job is complete. We always recommend reviewing and editing AI content before publishing. We make that process easier for you here. You can double-click to edit the output cell and click on Open Editor. From here, you can use this rich text editor to iron out any flaws in the content, and you also leverage the AI chat service here to help you make your edits. Once you've polished it, close the editor and it will automatically save. There's 2 ways we can use this data. Firstly, you can download it as a CSV and open it in your preferred spreadsheet software, or import it into your content management software. We also have the ability to connect with your CMS so that you can create drafts directly from here. As of now, we have Webflow and WordPress, with more integrations coming soon. All you need to do is authorize the CMS, map the job fields to the post fields, and click on Create Draft. You'll find the app we used here in the caption or article below, so feel free to clone it and try running a bulk job on it for your own set of keywords.